Hello everyone.
Hello, everyone.
I'm going to show you guys today with Tori and Abby here how to access your OneNote notebook through Office 365. Um, so I'm already logged into my Office 365 account. Most of you know how to get here. You can find it up in these tiles. OneNote, mine is already there. You might not see it there. You might have to scroll down and hit all apps and then pin it. But you can also get to it here. It's on your main page, OneNote. If you're in Teams, you can use OneNote and it's built right into Teams as well. So here's our conversation from today. Okay. In Teams, post is at the top. Files. We have some files that have been added in here. Class notebook. This is another place where you can get to your notebook and do your work right in here. Check in the morning here, see who's online, see what the assignments are. I'm going to try and post the files here as well as on Etsy. This brings out the side menu, and you have a collaboration space. This is like a living notebook, so you can set up something here and other people can type in it and can work together on stuff. The content library is just for us to post files. I'm probably not going to post in there because we're posting on Etsy already. Okay, sorry, my headphones falling in. And then I see everyone, we see everyone, but you guys should just see your name, and then you have the drop-down menu of the different subjects. Today for literacy, we just had an easy little writing prompt, one paragraph. So in my first or second try to make this video, I think I started it for AJ. And writing literacy is trying to load. You guys, I'm sure, are dealing with this today. Stuff is taking a little while. A lot of people trying to use the internet. There's a lot of people trying to use their school board software. So that's part of the delay. But this will get you here, and you can post work in here. It's like a living notebook. As soon as you type it, it shows up. You don't have to save it. It saves automatically. You don't have to send it to us. So great tool here. If you're comfortable with trying it, give it a try. Let me know any issues or if you like it.